Hello to all my YouTube viewers and friends. I wanted to do this very short video to address some of the many emails and messages I've had because they haven't seen a new video up on my YouTube channel for 2 or 3 weeks or so. And I really feel I owe it to you to give you the reason, and that's why I've been urged to do this short video. So I've named it Recovery and Beyond because starting at the beginning, I was hospitalised about 3 weeks ago, emergency admission. I went into heart failure, and it was an emergency and the ambulance was called. And then I went to the hospital and they did a raft of tests, etc. And they came to the conclusion that, it was definitely heart failure. And I had a faulty aortic valve, which was combined with the heart failure. Wasn't a real good scenario for me to have. So moving along, I was then transferred to the Princess Alexandra Hospital in Brisbane, and I think it was the 10th, I did write it down. I had an aortic valve replacement, a nice juicy cow replacement, and I've named it Clara. So me and my new aortic valve are trying to become acquainted, and we're managing reasonably well. I came home pretty soon after the valve was replaced. They did it through the femoral artery, so thanks be to God I was spared having open heart surgery. And but it does, the valve doesn't cure everything, but it certainly helped. So my future does come with some modifications, and that is that my heart being enlarged, plus the left ventricle is quite enlarged as well, out of the ordinary, that it's left me with only 20% function of the heart, of what its normal capacity should be. So I have some restrictions in terms of physicality. I have had to think about how to cut down things and learn how to do things differently, and also learn that there are some things I just can't do safely. And I plan to be sensible. Throughout all this, I have been extremely grateful to all the people who have prayed for me and continue to do so. And I'm also very thankful to God that I am still alive, because but for the grace of our Heavenly Father, I would not be here today. It was serious. So one has to face one's capabilities and the reality of what you have to work with. And that's what I'm still in the midst of doing. And there are some things that I will have to cut back on or eliminate altogether. And I'm fine with that. I understand that. Now, so I came home on the 12th of July. So I've been home just a little over a week from hospital. And it's when you're back in your own environment that you are best able to judge what you can and can't do without causing stress to the heart and the breathing. So I do need to ascertain what I can safely do in my day-to-day life. And I've been reviewing also the YouTube channel. Now, there's over 450 videos that have been published on my YouTube channel, My Noah Hyde Family. And I was sort of posting most times a couple of videos a week. Now, look, I can't keep that pace up. It's not so much the making of the video either. There's all the background stuff you have to do before you record it even. So I am taking an unspecified break at this immediate time from publishing videos. That is not to say that I won't, on a good day, be able to publish occasional videos, not 2 a week. I can't manage that. But certainly if I have a good day and can record, I will, and then I can post those occasional videos. And again, I am so grateful for all of you for your care and concern and so many emails that I feel humbled. I feel blessed, and I thank God so much that I'm still here today and able to do certain things without any problem, and other things I have to learn to find another way around it or pass some things over to other people to do for me. But I thoroughly enjoyed doing the videos, and I'm hoping that I can resume with occasional videos as time goes on, presses on a little bit more to enable me to, the stamina, it's the stamina really. Talking, which a lot of people would say I never had any problem talking, but even that sometimes leaves me a bit breathless. So I'm been open and given full disclosure regarding my absence, and I know you will all understand, and I appreciate everything that you have done for me in the past, and I know you will continue to do so. So in the meantime, I'm going to see you when I can on video, and other times rest and do as I'm told, which my sister says I've never done. But I am trying very hard to be gracious and to do the right thing, because Hashem has given me this second chance and I don't want to blow it. Please take care, and God bless.